Every time you eat, something amazing happens. It's not just about filling your stomach or satisfying hunger. Each bite is a tiny miracle, a moment where science, memory, and emotion come together in a way that feels almost magical. Your mouth and nose team up to turn food into an adventure. As you bring food closer, your nose picks up the first hints of aroma, preparing your brain for what's to come. The anticipation builds, and your senses awaken, ready to experience something special. Flavor and aroma are the secret stars in this show. They're the invisible artists painting every meal with color and excitement. Spices, herbs, and even the way food is cooked all play a part in creating a symphony of sensations. They make plain bread taste comforting, and a grilled steak smell mouth-watering. The scent of fresh bread can make you feel at home, while the smoky aroma of a steak on the grill can make your mouth water before you even take a bite. Think about biting into a crisp apple. The crunch, the burst of juice, and the sweet tart flavor all come together in a single, unforgettable moment. You don't just taste sweetness, you smell a fresh, fruity scent. The aroma fills your nose, making the experience richer and more vivid. It's a full-body sensation that goes beyond just taste. That's flavor and aroma working together. They create a dance of senses, making every meal feel like a celebration. Whether you're alone or surrounded by friends and family, they make sure every meal is more than just fuel. Food becomes a reason to gather, to share stories, and to make memories that last a lifetime. They make it fun and exciting. Trying new foods, sharing bites, and laughing together all become part of the adventure. Even the simplest meal can turn into a joyful event. We often remember special meals because of their flavors. A single taste can bring back memories of childhood, holidays, or special moments with loved ones. Maybe it's the smell of cookies baking at home. That warm, sweet aroma can instantly transport you back to cozy afternoons in the kitchen, waiting for a treat to come out of the oven. Or the taste of spicy tacos from your favorite food truck. The zing of chili, the freshness of cilantro, and the crunch of a tortilla can make an ordinary day feel extraordinary. These memories stick with us because flavor and aroma are powerful. They connect us to our past, to our culture, and to the people we love. Every meal tells a story, and every bite is a chapter. In this essay, we'll unlock the secrets behind these sensations. We'll explore how chefs and scientists work together to understand what makes food so irresistible, and how our senses shape every experience. We'll see how chemistry shapes every bite and sniff. From the way ingredients interact to the way our brains process flavor, there's a whole world of science happening with every meal. Get ready to discover why food is so much more than just something to eat. It's a journey, an experience, and a celebration of life itself, one delicious bite at a time. Let's start with the basics. When we talk about food, two words come up all the time: flavor and aroma. But what do they really mean, and why are they so important to our eating experience? Flavor is the overall experience you get when you eat or drink something. It's not just about what your tongue tastes, but a combination of many senses working together. It's not just taste, it's taste plus smell, plus how food feels in your mouth. The crunch of a fresh apple, the creaminess of chocolate, or the fizz of a soda. All of these sensations add to the flavor. Flavor is the whole package. It's the way food looks, the way it sounds when you bite into it, and even the memories it brings back. All these details come together to create a unique experience every time you eat. Aroma is a fancy word for smell. It's a huge part of what makes food enjoyable, even before you take your first bite. When you sniff the air and catch a whiff of fresh bread, that's aroma. It's the invisible invitation that draws you to the table, making your mouth water in anticipation. It's what you notice before you even take a bite. Sometimes, just smelling your favorite dish can make you feel happy or nostalgic, reminding you of family gatherings or special moments. Aroma can make you hungry or remind you of happy times. The smell of cookies baking, a sizzling barbecue, or fresh herbs can instantly lift your mood and make you look forward to eating. Taste and aroma are different, but they work together. While taste gives you the basic flavors, aroma adds depth and complexity, making each bite more interesting and enjoyable. Taste comes from your tongue. It can sense sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. That's a savory taste, like in cheese or soy sauce. These 5 tastes are the building blocks of every dish. Aroma comes from your nose. It can sense thousands of smells. From the earthy scent of mushrooms to the bright citrus of a lemon, your nose can pick up on subtle notes that your tongue can't detect. In fact, most of what we think of as taste is actually aroma. That's why food seems bland when you have a cold. Your nose can't help out. So flavor is like a team. Taste and aroma are the star players, but texture, temperature, and even sound play important supporting roles. Together, they create the deliciousness you love in every meal. Next time you eat, pay attention to all your senses. You'll discover a whole new world of flavor and aroma waiting for you. When you eat, your tongue and nose send messages to your brain. The tongue tastes simple things: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. But the nose is a super detective. It picks up all the tiny scent molecules from your food. Here's a fun trick: pinch your nose and eat a jelly bean. You'll taste sweetness, but not much else. Let go of your nose. Suddenly you know if it's cherry, lemon, or apple. That's aroma joining the party. Your mouth also helps with flavor in other ways. It feels temperature, crunch, and creaminess. Spicy foods even make your mouth tingle. All these feelings add to the flavor experience. So, when you enjoy your favorite meal, remember, it's a team effort. Your tongue, nose, and mouth work together to make food exciting. That's why eating is so much fun. Let's take a closer look at some of the foods we enjoy every day and discover how their smells and tastes create a symphony for our senses. Food is more than just fuel. It's an experience, a memory, and sometimes even a comfort. The magic often starts before we even take a bite, with the aromas that fill the air and make our mouths water in anticipation. Take fresh bread, for example. Its smell is warm, cozy, and inviting, like a gentle hug on a chilly morning. The scent of bread baking can fill an entire home, making it feel welcoming and safe. That irresistible aroma comes from special chemicals created when the dough bakes. As the bread heats up, sugars and proteins react in a process called the Maillard reaction, producing hundreds of different aroma compounds that blend together into that signature smell. The taste of fresh bread is soft, a little sweet, and comforting, but it's the smell that truly makes it magical. It's no wonder that the scent of baking bread is often used to sell houses or evoke childhood memories. Grilled meat is another superstar in the world of flavor and aroma. Few things can match the mouth-watering smell of meat sizzling on a hot grill. When you cook meat, it develops a smoky, rich aroma that's hard to resist. This scent is created as the heat transforms the proteins and fats, releasing savory compounds into the air. These tiny changes in the meat's chemistry as it heats up are what give grilled meat its signature flavor and smell. The browning on the outside, known as caramelization, adds even more depth to the experience. The taste is savory, juicy, and satisfying, but it's the aroma that makes your mouth water before you even take a bite. The smell alone can bring people together around a barbecue or dinner table. Fruits, on the other hand, are nature's candy, bursting with flavor and aroma. Each fruit has its own unique scent and taste, shaped by the natural chemicals inside. Think of a ripe strawberry. Its bright red color and glossy skin are inviting, but it's the sweet, fruity smell that really draws you in. Even before you take a bite, the strawberry's aroma fills your senses with hints of summer and sunshine. That scent is a promise of the juicy, refreshing taste to come. The taste is juicy, bright, and just the right amount of sweet. It's a burst of flavor that wakes up your taste buds and leaves you wanting more. All of this is thanks to natural chemicals called esters and aldehydes, which give strawberries, and many other fruits, their signature scents and flavors. And then there's coffee, a morning favorite for millions of people around the world. For many, the day doesn't truly begin until they've had that first sip. Freshly brewed coffee fills the room with a strong, rich aroma that's both comforting and energizing. The smell alone can help wake you up and get you ready for the day ahead. The taste of coffee is complex, a little bitter, a little sweet, sometimes nutty or chocolatey, and always satisfying. Each cup is a blend of flavors that can be savored slowly. That's because coffee beans contain hundreds of aroma molecules, each contributing to the unique flavor and scent of your morning brew. It's a true symphony of smells and tastes, waiting to be enjoyed with every sip. Cooking is like doing science in your kitchen. When you heat food, you change its chemistry. This creates new flavors and aromas. That's why raw and cooked foods taste so different. Toasting bread is a great example. When bread toasts, sugars and proteins mix and make new brown colors and smells. This is called the Maillard reaction. It's why toast smells so good. Roasting vegetables brings out their sweetness. The heat breaks down tough parts and makes new, tasty chemicals. That's why roasted carrots or potatoes taste richer than raw ones. Frying food adds even more flavor. The hot oil makes the outside crispy and golden. It also creates new aromas. That's why French fries and fried chicken smell so tempting. Let's dive deeper into how heat changes food. When you cook meat, the heat causes proteins to break down. This releases new flavors and makes the meat tender. The sizzle you hear is water turning into steam and escaping. Sugars in food also react to heat. They caramelize, turning golden brown and sweet. Think of the top of a creme brulee or roasted marshmallows. That sweet, toasty smell is caramelization at work. Spices and herbs change with heat too. Heating spices in oil releases their aroma molecules. That's why curry or chili smells so strong when cooking. The flavors become deeper and more complex. Even simple foods like onions change with heat. Raw onions are sharp and spicy. Cooked onions are sweet and mellow. Heat breaks down harsh chemicals and makes new, tasty ones. Did you know that most of what we call taste is actually smell? If you have a cold and your nose is stuffed, food tastes bland. That's because you're missing the aroma. Some people are super tasters. They have extra taste buds and can sense flavors more strongly. Super tasters often find some foods, like broccoli or coffee, too bitter. There are also flavor myths. For example, many think carrots make your eyesight perfect. While they're healthy, they won't give you superhero vision. But they do taste sweeter when cooked, thanks to the magic of chemistry. Another fun fact: everyone's flavor experience is unique. Your genes, age, and even memories can change how you taste and smell food. That's why your favorite food might taste different to someone else. Your sense of smell is like a time machine. One whiff of a certain food can bring back memories from years ago. Maybe the smell of popcorn reminds you of movie nights, or the scent of cinnamon makes you think of holidays. Smell is powerful because it connects to the memory part of your brain. That's why some smells can make you feel happy, cozy, or even hungry. Aroma is more than just a part of flavor, it's part of our emotions. Smell also helps keep us safe. If food smells bad, it might be spoiled. Our noses warn us not to eat it. This is nature's way of protecting us. So next time you eat, pay attention to the smells. Take a deep breath before your first bite. You'll enjoy your food even more. Now that you know the secrets of flavor and aroma, you can become a flavor explorer. Try new foods and notice their smells and tastes. Ask yourself, is it sweet, salty, sour, bitter, or umami? What aromas do you notice? Cooking at home is a great way to play with flavors. Toast your bread a little longer. Add new spices to your soup. Roast your veggies until they're golden. Notice how the smells and tastes change. Share your discoveries with friends and family. Have a tasting party. See who can guess the flavors or aromas in different foods. It's a fun way to learn and enjoy meals together. Understanding flavors can make every meal an adventure. So next time you eat, slow down and savor every bite. You'll find that food is even more amazing than you thought.